Hello, I'm David Wilton.
And I'm Elizabeth Taylor.
And we're going to tell you about the upcoming Tenant Network event. It's being held, when is it?
Friday the 19th of October.
No, it's not. It's the 26th of October.
And it's at Monmouthshire Housing Association, near Pontypool.
Yeah, so we're going to be looking at a few different things, but how tenants can be at the heart of social landlords and the affordable housing for the future. So why is it so important?
This is important stuff. Welsh Government really want your views. So we want to get you as tenants together and let's have a good chat and sort these things out for Welsh Government, shall we? Also, I think Tenant Pulse, we've got a survey at the moment, so I should be able to give you the first results from that, even before some officials see it. And there'll be some other shiny things to look at and have a good natter about. So if you're a tenant, come to our Tenant Network event.
Yeah, make sure you sign up. You can follow the link below and it'll take you to the website.
I think there's a £10 charge. That just covers the lunch and refreshments and things like that. So see you in Monmouthshire Housing Association.
Bye-bye.